Hey guys, welcome to yet another tutorial video, and in this video we will be comparing the Claude Code with Claude UI. So there are two different aspects of Claude defined for different people, different personas. So the first one is our Claude Code, beloved by the engineers and the technical guys out there, and then we have our Claude UI, which is beloved by the content writers and other general users. So you can see that both of these products or both of these instances of Claude Code and Claude UI are different in terms of look and feel. While the Claude Code gives a more geeky vibe, the Claude UI gives a more user-friendly vibe. So that is actually the case. The Claude Code is suitable for more technical heavy usages, whereas the normal Claude UI is suitable for normal usage, which fills the aspect of a moderator or a medium. So, without further ado, let us start comparing both of them. So, if we talk about the looks, we will be going to the Claude UI first. You can see it is a proper UI with a proper text message. You have all of the buttons clearly labeled. You can simply change the model using these buttons. You can either speak to write your prompt using this button as well. You have the chats access right here. You can use cowork and different options like projects, artifacts, ask or customize are all available from here. You can manage your account from this particular option. So everything can be controlled using just your mouse and your keyboard. Now, whereas if we go to the Claude Code, you can see as for many, it is just a big question mark as if what actually is in. So from here, if you wish to see the options, you need to type in using your keyboard. So from here, it will give you all of the options, much more than what the Claude UI gives you, but yes, a little not that user friendly like the Claude UI. But yes, it is like the manuals of the AI, whereas the Claude UI is like an automatic drive. So it gives, whereas the Claude UI gives you more convenience at the cost of less features, whereas the Claude Code gives you more features at the cost of less user friendliness. So it is up to you which one you decide. So now we will be giving out some prompts to test their different skills. So for Claude UI, we will be using this particular prompt that we have, that is to create a simple HTML page with a button that changes background colors. I'm gonna simply copy this exactly onto the Claude Code as well. And in the Claude Code instances for many of my friends as well, the control V does not work. You will simply need to right click and the text will get pasted right here. Whereas in the Claude UI, everything works as normal. So I will be choosing the model to Opus 4.7 adaptive thinking, and I'll just give it a go. And while it processes, I have selected the same default model for this one as well, but it auto decides as if which one it wants to choose. Now you can see that the Claude Code also shows you the tokens it is consuming and the time, and it also needs to be allowed permission for running any particular scripts in the shell. So I'll need to allow it as well. Whereas for the Claude UI, you can see it is giving us a very neat and clean effect, and you can see that here is a simple color changing page, and it has simply created the same as well inside this particular artifact. I can also simply copy to clipboard or also download this as a file. So this was great work. And meanwhile, Claude Code has also finished creating the particular web page, but here you can see that it has created this web page inside my local directory and not directly on to the PowerShell window, as it is not explicitly possible. So I will need to navigate to this particular file address and then I will need to open the file in order to view what it created. So this is one of the main differences. While Claude UI gives you directly the access what you have created within the window itself, that is not the case for Claude Code. So we will be going to this particular directory, that is the tree drive, and under the def you can see this is the file name, that is color changer dot html. So here is the color changer. I'm gonna open it, and now you can see that it is also doing the same work like this. So this was a difference between the both of the outputs style and other thinking style as well. You can see that Claude UI is actually very user friendly for basic tasks and actually most of the everyday tasks that occurs. So if you are an everyday user, Claude UI is the one for you, whereas if you are a hardcore developer or handling with these complex tasks, then Claude Code is the way to go, as Claude UI is not as powerful as Claude Code. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.